Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Lovable project to GitHub. First, open your Lovable project and look for the GitHub icon in the top right corner. Click Connect to GitHub. You'll be redirected to GitHub to authorize the app. Sign in if asked and allow access to all repos or specific ones, your choice. Back in Lovable, click Create Repository to auto-push your project code. Wait a few seconds. Your Lovable project is now live on GitHub. Check your GitHub account. The repo is there with all your code. From now on, any changes in Lovable will automatically sync to GitHub. And that's it. That's how to connect your Lovable to GitHub. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.